This will sound impossible. Earth wears a halo, a ghostly ring of light almost no one sees. Look up at the night sky. You see the moon. You see the stars. But did you know our planet wears a halo? It's true. Earth is wrapped in a faint, ethereal glow. A secret light show unfolds high above our heads, unseen by most. This isn't science fiction. It's a real, documented phenomenon. What is this mysterious light, and what secrets does it hold? This halo is a silent, constant companion, a delicate, shimmering layer most people never see. Far too faint to be seen from the ground, especially with city light pollution. From orbit, though, astronauts aboard the ISS have captured breathtaking images. They see a tender, greenish gold layer hugging the Earth's curve. It is beautiful. It is strange. It is very, very real. So, what exactly is this halo? When we hear the word halo, we think of angel rings in paintings or the circles of light around the sun or the moon, ice crystal optics and illusion. But Earth's halo is fundamentally different. It is not an illusion. It is a source of light. Scientists call it air glow, a form of chemiluminescence, light from chemical reactions. These reactions happen high above us, roughly 80 to 650 kilometers, about 50 to 400 miles up. By day, ultraviolet radiation bombards oxygen and nitrogen, exciting them, kicking electrons into higher energy states. They don't emit right away. They store energy. At night, they relax and recombine, releasing tiny flashes of light. Think of the atmosphere as a planetary battery charging by day, then slowly discharging after sunset. A faint global glow. Quintillions of atoms make a visible band of light. Now some surprising truths. The night sky is never completely dark. Even in the most remote place with no moon, the darkness isn't absolute. A significant portion of natural nightlight comes from airglow. It subtly illuminates landscapes and clouds from above, often contributing more light than the stars. Second, the airglow is not static. It moves. It ripples. Astronauts describe shimmering waves and intricate patterns, ripples on a cosmic pond. These structures are caused by atmospheric gravity waves, not the space-time ripples from black holes. They're born from storms and winds over mountains, traveling upward to compress and stretch the glowing gas, creating bright and dark bands that span hundreds of miles. Third, the halo has tides. The sun and moon raise planet-sized bulges that make the glow rise, fall, and pulse in daily and monthly cycles, a silent dance with our cosmic neighbors. Let's keep it simple and look closer. Airglow forms in the rarefied mesosphere and thermosphere, thousands of times thinner than sea-level air, but brimming with energy. This frontier meets raw space energy, ultraviolet, X-rays, and swarms of charged particles. During a solar storm, the dance intensifies. A coronal mass ejection hurls charged particles and tangled magnetic fields toward Earth, sending a shockwave of energy our way. When these particles slam into our magnetic field and upper atmosphere, they supercharge the airglow. The halo brightens. Colors turn vivid. Intense bands of red and green appear far from the poles, a global blush to the sun's fury. Aurora is a concentrated jet, where particles are funneled toward the poles. Airglow is gentler and widespread, sunlight-driven, but storms can blur the line. Think of airglow as the atmosphere's pilot light, always on, very faint. Aurora is the main burner, powerful and focused. A solar storm turns up the pressure, making even the pilot light flare. Studying airglow helps forecast space weather in real time, a window into how the upper atmosphere responds to incoming solar energy. A human touch on the cosmic glow. Perhaps the most startling reality. We are beginning to change Earth's halo. Our activity reaches the edge of space, adding our own signature to this natural light. It's not just city glow. We're introducing particles and new light sources in the upper atmosphere. As of today, there are thousands of active satellites and even more debris. Spent stages to tiny fragments. They reflect sunlight, drawing artificial stars across the sky. On re-entry, they burn and seed metals into the very region where airglow forms. Researchers are probing how this alters the halo's chemistry and brightness. Rocket exhaust, water vapor and other chemicals can react aloft, creating temporary holes in the glow or triggering eerie glowing clouds. A hybrid of natural and human-made sky art. We are painting on the canvas of night. If this fascinates you, please subscribe, like, share, and tell me in the comments. What surprised you most? Your support fuels these explorations. Why does this faint light matter? Because it's a powerful scientific tool. By studying its colors, its brightness, and its movements, we can probe an elusive region of air. Too high for balloons, too low for easy satellites. But the glow is our built-in probe. Specific wavelengths reveal temperature, density, and chemistry of the upper atmosphere. That data refines climate and weather models, tracing energy from the sun to space above us and down to the ground. We can predict responses to solar cycles and to human-driven changes. It also protects our tech society. Gravity waves disturb radio and GPS. Watching the glow lets us forecast disruptions, keeping navigation and networks reliable. Seeing the unseen. Can you see it yourself? Yes, with caveats. Find a pristine, moonless night, far from any city glow. Let your eyes adapt for at least 30 minutes. You may perceive a soft, diffuse light not from stars or the Milky Way. A better way? Use a camera. Long exposures reveal the glow easily. It often blankets the sky with green or red, or appears as a bright band near the horizon. For the best views, explore NASA and ESA archives, thousands of photos and time-lapses. You'll see green ribbons, vast red sheets, and waves flowing like water. Looking isn't just sightseeing, it's connection. Each photon tells a tiny story of energy and chemistry, the breath of the atmosphere, made visible. In the end, Earth's halo is simple sunlight released by atoms, and a complex mirror of weather, tides, and solar storms. It's a signal from a world we can't touch. Proof that Earth is alive in the cosmic dance. Next dark night, take a moment. Think of trillions of atoms like silent fireflies, painting greens and reds. Giant unseen waves ripple that light, and our machines add faint brushstrokes to the masterpiece. The sky is not a ceiling, it's an ocean of energy. Don't take my word for it. Search ISS Airglow, explore, and share what you find with friends and family. The more we cherish subtle wonders, the more we're inspired to protect them. If our planet glows with light born from the sun, does that mean from far away our world twinkles? Tell me your thoughts below. If this amazed you, subscribe now, like, and share. Let's uncover more secrets together. One incredible truth at a time. Keep looking up and never stop wondering.